In 2012, something amazing happened. A small group of people gathered together and raised enough money to build a church around the world in India. The church has transformed over the past year and is currently in its final stages of construction. And you know what the best part is? We get to do it all over again. This spring, be a part of something big. On April 20th, Building Hope Ministries is hosting a benefit concert. A benefit concert to raise the $2,500 needed to finish a church building project in Nepal. The church has already begun construction, and the $2,500 we'll raise during this night of worship will turn this church into a reality. So come on out and join us once again for one night, one church.